if any Muslim is involved in doing acts which are against the religion of Islam, which are acts of terrorism, killing of innocent human beings, it is the duty of us Muslims that we should tell such people it is haram. There are some people who are being misguided and they are being brainwashed into saying that killing innocent human beings is part of Islam. You will get reward. It's our duty as the mainstream Muslims to try and convey the right message of Islam and prevent such Muslims from being misguided. That's point number one. Point number two, it's our duty to tell the government of the country where you're living that Islam is a peaceful religion. And what I believe that Muslims should be part of the solution, they should not be part of the problem. The government should not think that Muslims are part of the problem, they should think Muslims are part of the solution. And that's the advice I even give to the police of India and the police of Bombay, and I interact with the police force very often. And I tell them that you should take the Muslims in confidence. And the best is to have an interaction. I have addressed many police officers from very different countries, and we should try and have a question and answer session and remove the misconceptions in their minds and prove to them that Islam is one of the most tolerant religions. It's a peaceful religion. And if you know the teaching of Islam, surely the least person that you'll have to fear is a true Muslim. I'm not talking about the black sheep of the Muslim community.